Hey, what's up? All right, so today is day 2 of going vegan, and I want to show you kind of what we're doing for dinner tonight. If I can flip this around, and yeah, it's not letting me, whatever. Okay, so here's what we got going on. We're doing veggies, black beans, corn with taco seasoning, whole wheat tortillas. So we're basically doing taco night, but without meat. So it'll still be good. We'll have other veggies like lettuce, tomato, and whatnot. It's been interesting for sure doing this whole vegan thing. I had a slight, sorry, I'm getting my camera situated. I had a slight blooper last night, something I didn't realize, which was I've been dealing with like this sickness for like 3 weeks. So I drink tea every night. And I've been putting a tiny bit of honey in it. And I realized like, oh shoot, I did that last night and honey isn't vegan. So my first error with going vegan on day 1 was I used like a teaspoon of honey. So lesson learned, I know not to do that anymore. But so far it's been good. Haven't really missed anything at all. I've really been enjoying actually eating different things because when you get in a routine, you start to eat the same things and they can get a little repetitive. So it's been good. It is challenging, but I feel like I'm learning a lot already, and I feel like the nutritional side of things, I'll be able to take a lot of things away with me regardless of whether I pursue this longer than 31 days or not. So that's kind of a wrap on day 2. And yeah, that's all I got for today. All right, talk to you soon.